10 Best Coffee Makers for Camping and Backpacking in 2020. Amazon Buying Guide. The best coffee maker is a tough choice. It has to achieve a certain value. Can it deliver a decent cup of coffee? In this guide, you will find a great selection of coffee makers for camping. We think these are the best products to choose from for your next trip. To give you this top 10 review, we have looked at 81 products and analyzed 4,832 customer reviews. Price and product details can be found in the description below the video. At number 10 is the MyJoe Single Cup Coffee Maker from Presto. Number 9. The original portable French press from KOHI Press. Number 8. Brew Single Serve Pour Over from OXO. Number 7. 30 ounces Java Press from GSI Outdoors. Number 6. French Press from Coffee Gator. Number 5. Portable, Manual Espresso Maker from Star Esso. Number 4. French Press Coffee Maker Stainless Steel from Sakura. Number 3. Enamelware Percolator Coffee Pot 8 Cup Blue from GSI Outdoors. Number 2. Nanopresso, Portable Espresso Coffee Maker from Wacaco. Number 1. K-Mini Coffee Maker from Keurig. Thanks for watching. Did you find this video useful? Click the like button and let us know, or write a comment below. Thanks. Remember to hit the subscribe button to get all our new camping tips and tricks videos. And also, check out these product review videos, we thought you would find them useful.